Hi there, here we are looking at we're thinking it's bacteria or slime bacteria, but it doesn't really look like iron bacteria, but close. It's just that it isn't really orange. So we're going to take a look at this stuff that's collecting in this filter here. You want to see it here, and then we'll drain it here in a little bit. I just want to show a little bit of this stuff that's collecting. It's heavy. You can see a little bit there collecting on the screen, and then that stuff will eventually fall down there, and you'll see it just kind of keep piling up. But it doesn't, well, maybe a little bit of an orange tint, maybe there's a little bit of, and there's a little bit of black, so I don't know if it's sulfur, or just called slime bacteria here. Okay, well, I just wanted to show that, and now we're going to dump this out into a jar and take a closer look at it. Okay, we're going to now put some of this slime into the jar here. Yeah, you can start seeing it come. These are some of these particles that are coming up from the well. There's pretty slimy little buggers. Kind of a white type of slime there. Here comes some more. There it is.
That is pretty gross.
Yeah. There that stuff is down in there. Now we're going to take a look at this under a little bit of magnification. Some interesting stuff down there. Try to see what other people were thinking it is, but didn't come up with too many.
Some more?
Oh, got a little more here. Alright. And this water's been tested for bacteria, coliform, and it passes, and it actually twice, just recently, so it's not, this is supposedly healthy slime here. You can actually drink the water, but it's going to get shocked with bleach here pretty soon. But I just wanted to see what, kind of look at this a little bit and see what it is. Okay, I'm going to try to grab some of this slimy bacteria here, white bacteria, iron bacteria, I'm still thinking, and I'm going to show you how hard it is to get it out of this dish here and put a sample on this cover. So I'm going to get down here. I'm going to use two toothpicks here, as you can see. I'm trying to grab a sample, but stuff isn't that easy. It just slips right off. Oh, got one. Got luckier than I thought. Okay, there it is. And when it lands on there, it's just like a, let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit. It's pretty much all I can do right there. Okay, here we are. We're using this kind of a USB kind of microscope, trying to understand some of this white bacteria. And you can see in the jar here, this is the stuff that came out of the well, out of the filter, these particles down there. Whoops. Get it down right in there. That's not touching, that's up a ways, quite a ways actually. And then what we're going to do is be looking at this stuff. Whoops. We're going to be looking at this stuff on the monitor here. So this is a setup of trying to understand what's in all this. Alright, here we got a little bit of the slime, moving it around, see some particles in there. Some of that looks kind of some orange tint, and some also just black specks, which I think is some maybe silt or something coming, just sediment type of material. Focusing there, just kind of see some is orange and most of it's white with some black particles attached to it. And here we are, moving it around a little bit more, just kind of looking at some of the other stuff that's in the dish here. You can see some more orange and mostly white. There, so you can see some orange there. And there you can see it's got some pretty defined edges, and I always thought it was like a sheet, like a rectangular sheet that's rolled up like a scroll on some of these here. It kind of looks like that. kind of like jellyfish type material. And again, I'm thinking this is iron bacteria, because we do have iron bacteria in this area. And again, the well was tested for the coliform bacteria, and it's okay to drink, and it was tested more than once, just recently too. Seeing all this stuff, I just wanted a second check to make sure, but nah, I think it's just iron bacteria, even though it looks gross in your water. But it's actually, it's collecting particles here too, so I guess it's doing some filtering by itself. There you can see quite a bit of orange right there. I'm just kind of moving around a little bit. Some dirt particles, I think, get trapped into the bacteria slime. Now here you see a little particle zoomed in a little bit, kind of hanging out there, kind of a leg. And here you can see some of the defined edges of the what I'm calling iron bacteria or slime bacteria here. Okay, I'm now coming to the end of this video, and I haven't found a lot of stuff that looks, or pictures that look like this, and I just wanted to share, and thanks for watching.